Imagine a world missing a crucial key, a key to a hidden universe all around and within us, yet utterly invisible. For millennia, people lived and died, mystified by sickness. They prayed to gods, blamed unseen forces, and feared corrupted air. Only the obvious was seen. The tiny causes remained hidden. Life was simpler, but far more dangerous and mysterious. Without the microscope, humanity was half blind. We saw only shadows, faint echoes of a deeper reality. The true engines of life and decay, the architects of disease, were cloaked from us. A vast, influential territory remained uncharted. Generations passed, civilizations rose and fell, all without a glimpse of the microscopic world. The intricate fabric of biology, the tiny gears and levers of existence, remained unknown. This was their unilluminated reality. Then came a simple piece of curved glass, the microscope. It opened a new cosmos, letting the invisible speak. Early microscopes, though primitive, revealed astonishing sights in a drop of water or a speck of dust. We saw cells, the building blocks of life, bustling with organelles. Life's basic units were finally visible. Before this, life was a mysterious spark. Now its structure was revealed. We discovered bacteria, tiny single-celled organisms everywhere, some helpful, some harmful. The true agents of disease, not demons or bad air, but living creatures. Viruses, even smaller, invaded our cells. The unseen enemy was unmasked. We peered deeper. The nucleus, chromosomes, and DNA, the blueprint of life. The double helix held instructions to build every living thing. This knowledge gave us the power to understand ourselves. Before this vision, medicine was guesswork. Doctors were brave, but often wrong. Fevers raged, infections spread, and childbirth was perilous. A small wound could kill. Surgery was butchery. Ignorance was the real plague. People believed in the four humors: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, black bile. Treatments were crude: bloodletting, purges, emetics. Often, these made things worse. The body was a black box, its workings a secret. Hospitals were desperate places, not always for healing. Doctors moved from patient to patient, unwashed hands spreading death. The concept of germs was non-existent. Hygiene was an afterthought. Diseases like tuberculosis, smallpox, and cholera swept through populations. No vaccines, no antibiotics, only prayers and despair. The microscopic world waged war on humanity, and we were defenseless. Without the microscope, entire fields of science would not exist. Imagine empty library shelves, microbiology, cell biology, genetics, all missing. Biology itself would be crippled. The secrets of heredity and DNA would remain locked away. Medicine would lack blood tests, cancer diagnosis, and targeted treatments. Forensic science and ecosystem studies would be incomplete. Our understanding of Earth would be tragically shallow. Think of curious children, denied the wonder of peering through a microscope. Science education would be poorer, the hidden beauty of life unseen. The microscope is both a tool and an inspiration, showing us there's always more to discover. The telescope revealed the cosmos, the microscope, the microcosmos. Without it, humanity's intellectual journey would be slower and darker. The thrill of discovery, the joy of understanding, countless moments lost. Imagine the insights and progress never achieved. The microscope was a revolution, a paradigm shift in how we see the world. It revealed life's complexity, all interconnected and vital. It showed us the cellular foundation of life and gave us power over disease. Knowledge became responsibility. We stand on the shoulders of pioneers like Leeuwenhoek, Hooke, Pasteur, and Koch. They unveiled the unseen, laying the groundwork for our safer world. The microscope pulled back the veil, revealing a hidden universe. It showed us not just what we are, but what we could become. Like, share, and subscribe if you liked the contents. Thanks. Nature is ultimate.